Wow, I can't believe we're still in LA.
That's right. Welcome to the Sam and Susana Field Lab Podcast with Nate all around. Let's go.
Grandpa, look, there's a frog.
Is that water safe? Let me check my guidebook. The critters love it here in the pond.
Grandpa, that squirrel has giant nuts.
Those are called acorns.
Grandpa, look, what's in that bird's nest?
That's a least Bell's vireo, an endangered bird. Let me look it up.
Let's see, looks like scientists used to burn chemicals rather than following regulations. These days they use a tarp to cover the area up.
That's probably some of the tarp materials that they use up in the nest there.
But how are tarps enough to stop the...
It says here in my guidebook that the contamination from the radioactive fires, the meltdown, the spills, and a couple other things aren't hurting anyone or anything, and the animals here are all healthy and happy.
But you can't expect it.
Look, Pops, if it says it's fine in the guidebook, then it's fine. Okay, thanks everybody for joining us on the hike today. Please come again soon.